Hi everyone, today we'll be using this black fungus in our chicken dish. It's also known as wood ear. Just to give you a closer look. So I'm using the large type of black fungus. One side is black in color and the other side is light brown. You can see it comes in a dried form. It's very shriveled and curled up. And it smells a bit like dried mandarin orange peel to me. You can easily get this from the supermarket or from any shop that sells Chinese herbs. Now the first thing we want to do is to soak the black fungus. Give them a quick rinse and then soak in water until they turn soft. It should take about 10 to 15 minutes. While waiting for the black fungus, let's prep the chicken. Here I have 2 boneless chicken thighs. First, let's cut the chicken into strips. Then turn it, cut again into bite-sized pieces. Then transfer to a bowl. Some salt, light soy sauce, Shaoxing wine. And just give it a good mix. Okay, now let's check on the black fungus. So it has softened. You can see it is quite rubbery as well. Okay, this is the whole petal of black fungus. At the end of the petal, there is a stem. It is quite hard, so you'll want to remove it. Then I'm just gonna curl it up and cut it into thin strips and set aside. Cut some ginger. Mince some garlic. And set aside. Now once all the ingredients are prepared, let's start cooking. First, add in some oil. Then add ginger and garlic. Use a low to medium heat so that the garlic and the ginger doesn't burn. Saute until fragrant and the edges of the garlic will turn golden brown. Now add the chicken. Toss until the chicken is almost cooked and it'll also smell fragrant. Now add the black fungus. Just give it a good mix, toss a few times. Add soy sauce, Shaoxing wine, few drops of sesame oil, add water. I'm just gonna let the water come up to a boil, then let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, I've simmered this for about 20 minutes. Test to see whether you need more seasoning. I'm just gonna season it with a bit more salt, pinch of sugar, and I'm going to thicken the sauce with cornstarch mixture. Just remember to stir it before adding it in. Now I'm going to increase the heat and cook until the sauce thickens. Okay, the sauce has thickened. Look at that, so yummy. Now let's transfer this to a serving bowl. And garnish with some spring onions. This is so good. I hope you try this recipe. See you next time.